The front of your home is the very first impression people get. We all spend so much time making our homes beautiful inside, but it's just as important to think about the outside too. That's why I love Easihold. It's a clever stone binder that locks gravel together, so no more messy pathways, no more loose stones underfoot, just a smart finish that lasts season after season. It's really straightforward to use. Firstly, you need to make sure your stones are clean of dust and are dry before applying. Give the gravel a good spray with Easihold, then rake through lightly. This exposes some of the stones below the surface. After that, apply another layer and compact it down whilst it's still wet. This step is key because it makes sure everything binds firmly together. And finally, add one last coat over the top for that polished, long-lasting result. I really like the finish. It doesn't change the colour, just enhances the appearance. And it's perfect for big feet and little feet too, especially our cubby's tiny toes.